video, and he said he wants to help me in playing Plants vs. Zombies, and here he is. W, bro. I'm gonna put this in the next video too, of course. Ooh, alright. A secret. I never got one. Wow, bro. He's rich, like, so rich, actually. How does he have this, bro? Wow. Bro, how does he have this much secrets? And who is this, bro? Say to me for me. Yo, what's that? Wow. Alright. We're definitely getting an upgrade. Alright. By the way, I'ma post the next video in like maybe a few hours. Alright, wow! What's that? Oh, carnivorous plant, I think. Alright, that's pretty good, bro. What is this? Like, actually, what's this? Tomato leaf. I definitely just pronounced that wrong. Okay, how does he have this many books? Like, there's actually so what? Alright, let's ask him. Alright, that's gonna be the end of the video now. And make sure to hit that subscribe button